Sara Perrotta, come from Italy, and I'm currently studying in UCC and I'm doing a master in management marketing. To be honest, it was more the city than the school itself, because I wanted to study in Ireland and I already knew Cork, so I wanted to study here. And then the choice was between UCC and MTU. And UCC stands out especially for the modules of the course itself, because the master has very interesting modules because they're mixed between marketing and management, and that was kind of what I was looking for. So that's why. It was especially how easy it was to connect with people, because of course it was my first time moving abroad, so I was a bit scared, like what if I'm alone and stuff. But I was very happy to know that university was very committed to get us to make friends. So, for example, before even the classes began, they set up this meeting and this like event. It was like an like actress event kind of thing, and we got to know each other before even class started. So that was very, very good. Especially the campus is it's beautiful. It has all the facilities you might need. You have a very big library that it's wonderful. And also the other thing is that Cork is is not too big, so it's perfect size. And also it's very lively. So the music scene, the food scene it has so many things for a place that is not that big. So it's perfect, I think. They have a very good international office. For example, before even starting class, there's this event that they do that you for 3 years can go there and grab as many things that you have that you can for your house, so you don't have to buy everything. And the international office is very, very kind. They respond your email. They can help you with all the queries that you might have, and that's the most important office for international students, and they're very, very open and kind. It's very inclusive. You can find people from every background possible, and there's no discrimination, there's no like segregation and stuff. You can be free to talk about everything, and also it's not only about studying, it's also about living the college experience. University is very set also on mental health, so they do all these initiatives, especially during exam season, like final week, to allow students to decompress. Also, they brought dogs in the library to allow people to just like go down for a few minutes, like, okay, I need to take a break. And you had the dog, so that's good. And it's very inclusive, as I said, but it's very, very lively. It's very welcoming. So it's a very good cohort, especially in campus. I think that since it's a more closed college, because it's all regarding business law, it was very nice to see how these interconnect with each other. And there is a bit of competition regarding like maybe placement, but that's just a part of it. So it's good. A lot of students are Irish, of course. Then we have many students from India, China. There's another student from Italy. Then there is someone from Poland, Czech Republic. These are the mains, I think, from what I can remember. The majority of them, also Pakistan. And the majority of them, I think, there are between having work experience due to an internship that they did in the bachelor, or because they took a gap year. Like especially my friends, lots of them took like a gap year and worked during that year. I know that there are students that have experience from Eli Lilly, for example, because they already worked there and they did their internship during the work placement during the bachelor as well. So we have a very good mix, I think, between people that have experience or do not have experience. Placement is very connected to the work itself. And then we are encouraged to do the RIP based on the industry that we work in at the moment. So it's very connected to that. During the classes, we had lots of case studies. For example, we had a course, ethics business, with John Katsos, and each class it had a case study that we had to discuss, and that was, in my opinion, very effective and efficient, because people had the opportunity to put in practice what we were learning in theory and say, okay, and build up like critical thinking and problem solving, because we had some options that we had to analyze to see what was the best course of action based also like from ethics and on, of course, business objectives. And in another course we had to all our assignment was based on a live case study from a gene company that is opening, this is entering the market in New York. So we had to build up a whole project based on that and a marketing campaign. So these are not only teaching us the theory, but also putting in practice what we are learning, so that we would be ready maybe in the future to go to work and say, okay, yeah, I do know the theory, but I also remember how to put that in practice. I am a class academic representative. I wanted to continue this journey that I began in my bachelor, because I was also an academic rep in my bachelor. And it was very nice to work with the other two representatives that are in our class, Denise and Amy. And especially because we kind of were able to mix the academic aspect with the entertainment one. So Denise worked so hard to make, for example, a class dinner at the end of the semester, and it was very nice. And we try to make the experience of the students the best as possible, making them feel like they had someone to talk to if they need it. And we also engaged a lot with the professors themselves, so that there were like moments during the year that we had the opportunity to talk to them and say, okay, listen, this is happening, what can we do? As far as like entertainment, like college life itself, I participated on some events of societies, because society is a big thing here, I used to see. There's the folklore society, for example, that it's all set of Irish folklore, and they do like storytelling nights. They're so cute. And we also participate in pub quiz for another societies to raise funds to allow some refugees to come to Ireland and help them. So it's very nice how like having fun is mixed with also making good things for like helping people. So it's a very good mix. I will be staying in Ireland for a couple of years at least. I got a job here in Cork, so I'm very happy about that perspective. And that will be very useful to gain experience in the business environment, in the business industry. As far as my dreams are concerned, I kinda fell in love with ethics thanks to Professor Katsos and his classes. So thank you, UCC, for that. And that's kind of what I want to do in the future. So especially with business ethics, if business are behaving in an ethical way, in a sustainable way, they could shift also the perspective with the global peace itself, and help constructing like peace strategy and maintaining like peacekeeping strategies and things, because it all begins with the business itself and then further develop. So that's a perspective that I really, really enjoy and really, really liked. And kind of was like struck me. I was okay, this is kind of what I want to do. So I will start now in sales, and then I will probably build my career based on that. And I will probably stay in Ireland because I really like Ireland. Cork especially is a very nice city, and I kind of vision myself here for a little bit at least of my life. Yeah. It might be a little bit cheesy for my friends. they were the best part of this whole experience. Also because, as I said before, it was my first time moving abroad and first time living alone. So I was a bit scared at the beginning, I might admit. But they are amazing, and it also makes college life much easier, because if you have someone to study with and if you have someone to just like decompress with, it's very, very nice. Because of course college can be stressful, especially in a program as busy as ours. But I was very, very lucky. Our class, it was big. We were like 70 of us, but we are very connected, helping each other out. There was not like bitter taste between us and something like that. You could talk to everyone and anyone. Everyone would talk and say hi to you. So it was a very good environment. So shout out to my friends to make my experience so beautiful. And yeah, I hope they will remain with me, like stuck with me for a long time now. But that was the best one. And if I have to be more professional, maybe the learning things about myself during this program, and also having more confidence in my problem solving skills and in what I can achieve. Because there are things I learned having like hands-on experience with, again, case studies and also like activities, and that built me up and say, okay, now I have the confidence that I can go in the work environment and know how to do things. Time management is the skill that it's important to have. And then also probably problem solving, because we had, and team working, because we had at least 10, I think, group projects. So team working was a very big one, because it's not easy to start working with people that you don't know. But this will always be essential in the work environment, because you will always be working with people. So, and that builds on resilience and active listening, empathy, and kinda is essential also in your everyday life. Don't be afraid to make this choice. You're building up your future. This can be the right choice for you at your career path. If it's something that you want to do it. You will have all the support that you will need here. So that's something very, very good. You will not be alone. There will always be someone ready to help you out and to just say, okay, I'm here for you. I got you. And even if it can be scary, be brave, because this experience will change your life. Even if you do not stay in Ireland after your studies, it's something that helps you grow, like personally, but also like academically, and also like professionally. And it's something that you have to do, to kind of do that step, say okay, and also kind of for entering into adulthood, like say, oh, okay, I'm living alone, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I can do this, I can do that. So it helps you also building up confidence and trust in yourself. So yeah, my advice is take the risk, because in life, if you don't take a risk, you're not really living, and just do it.